Assalamualaikum grade 2. How are you all my shining stars? Hope so that my class is fine at home. My dear students, before moving to the work, first of all I want to discuss with you the most important thing is the letter formation. As my dear class, first I write the small letters and look at the board. I draw the 4 lines and in the center 2 lines I write the small letters and I touch the lines properly. Look at A, C, E, I, M, N, S, U, V, W, R, X, Z. After my dear class, I write the tall letters, and for writing the tall letters, I use the first 3 lines and look at the board how I touch these 3 lines properly. Look at the tip of the D, I touch it properly, and F, H, K, L and T. Next my dear class is the fall letters. Fall letters are G, J, P, Q and Y. And look at how your teacher write on the board, and you also have to write like this. And my dear student, make sure that your work should be neat and clean with proper date, day. First draw margin line and draw the letters, write the letters properly, and your work should be very neat and clean. And let's see that how many of you get a smiling face on your work. So let's move to the work now. Okay my dear class, today we are moving to the next unit, unit number 11, the dipper in the sky. And before going to the reading, what you will do, you have to make a bowl, a small bowl. Look at the bowl that the boy in his hands. You have to draw this bowl, this one beta, that is the bowl. You have to make it on your notebook as a unit tag. And after my class, let's move to the reading. Are you ready for the reading? Okay my dear class, long ago in a far off land there was a great drought because there was no water and they were very thirsty. It had not rained for a long time. Every day people watched for a cloud to appear, but no rain came. The rivers dried up, the animals and the birds became weak because whenever we don't get the water and we feel tired, because water is very essential for our life, but they did not get the water. People became weak and thirsty too. Then one day a little boy set off with a tin dipper to find water for his sick mother. This was the boy and his mother was very sick. She need water. So he take a tin in his hand and he go there to take water. He found a spring and filled up his dipper. As he hurried home, as he was coming back to home, he heard a little lamb bleating weakly. He observed that a lamb is bleating for the water. So what he did, the boy gave the lamb some water. How good he is. He shared his water with the lamb. Suddenly the tin dipper turned into silver and filled up to brim again. Oh, what the tin! When he helped the lamb, this tin changed into silver and it filled up again. So, next, my dear class, I am telling you the dictation words. First, you have to do reading till here, and then you have to write dictation words with neat and clean writing with proper margin line, date and day on your notebook. Now let's move to the dictation words. Okay my dear class, first of all my class, you will write CW. Topic is the dipper in the sky. After topic you will write dictation words. First dictation words are draw, appeared, became. In the first line you will write 3 dictation words, then weak, sick and then. On the second line, heard, hurried, bleating. So these are the 9 dictation words you have to write on 3 lines with proper finger gap. Today your diary is write dictation words on notebook plus reading page number 108. Wish you a happy day to all of you.